This biker bandana head wrap package is based on the summertime headwear that can be seen on the beach or by the pool. The hat is perfect for men and women. This asset is perfect for leisure time characters or 3D printing enthusiasts. Our biker bandana head wrap package is fully customizable. The template included in the package allows you to add your own custom color options. It was designed for a standard height figures, 186 centimeters, in Cinema 4D and Zbrush. This package is ideal for game assets, illustration and animation. It's sized for standard figures in Unity, Poser or Daz Studio. I've broken the model down into its basic components for ease of customization. This biker bandana head wrap package can be used in a variety of programs. I've included the file formats: 3ds, DFX, OBJ, Medium, High, FBX, Blend, STL, ZTL, C4D, 3D Code. The package offers textures and 2 OBJ files. The mesh comes in high and medium polygon options to fit your needs. The Blender version and the Cinema 4D version allow for mesh smoothing. Textures are included in 2048 by 2048 for clear resolution. The package includes the following maps: diffuse, normal, Fresnel, reflectance, roughness. The package is presented in zip format. This requires an unzipping tool which most computers have as standard application. Use the appropriate format into your favorite 3D modeling program and customize the textures. The text folder contains the textures that come with these models. The biker bandana head wrap package models come pre-UV mapped along with a handy bitmap template from which to lay out your own textures. Feel free to drop your suggestions to me for both realistic and fantasy style headgear. Be sure to check out the other models in my gallery. I'm always adding more models, so check back regularly. Just click on my username. Head over to Creator.com for more great assets.